I don't
Yeah.
know why. Don't know why it's not happening, but need to check later.
Yeah. I don't think you need to check that one. Just buy a new one.
No, it is audio pods in the laptop. It's not in the headphone itself.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. So
So that
it's
means you need to buy a new laptop.
okay.
Yeah. Renew everything. Right. So in case you have any problem, the first thing that you need to restart the gadget device. And the final solution is to buy a new thing.
Yeah. I will try to restart after this session because
Yeah.
because today I was late, so I was late, so I opened it kind of late, so I had no time to fully check.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Yeah. But no worry because you usually have the backup. Then
Yeah,
yeah.
think so, but like it's keep falling down.
Let me chat to the group to see if any further person who can join with us.
Yeah,
Yeah.
let me
All right.
share.
English group. More. How can I copy the link from this one?
Oh, yeah, I put it for you. So
All right.
yeah,
Okay, got you. All right. Cool.
yeah, I send it all. Now we wait.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a new joy.
Uh-huh. Yeah, she
Oh,
out
yeah.
immediately. I don't know.
Unfortunate.
Yeah, I don't know why. Let's see if we do have. I think we don't have any further, guys. It's a little bit late. One. No one. Mhm.
No one.
Yeah,
It's not the release day, right? So why?
I don't know. Maybe today is a really day because normally it will not happen on the Friday. It'll
Yeah,
happen in the like, middle of the weekend. No, man, middle of the working day.
yeah.
Working
Actually I today I my client the Korean team they has put a new version of the product into the staging and
day.
yeah and it makes the whole damn project going down because of some authentication problem.
Wow.
Yeah, so I but yeah, so we cannot do anything about it. The QA team like uh they are like in the mess when they see that they could not do the testing anymore. So they keep calling us for fixing the problem, but actually the problem is from the Korean side. So we are like just can just sit and watch. without doing
Oh,
anything.
good. Glad to
Yeah.
hear that. Yeah, similarly, our company. So yesterday we found one case that one developer from Pakistan. They was secretly pushed a code to production environment, and
Oh.
and somehow that kind of code contain a lot of like upgrade, the upgrade libraries.
Mm-hmm.
So one of the like function from that kind of libraries impact immediately with the like the core feature of our product. So that means our product is still running, but the client could not use anything.
Mhm.
Yeah. So then yesterday our company like need to stop on almost of the like features. They need to restart the infrastructure, revert the code, and build everything again. Then after that, we figure out the person who did that, but we don't have like any. I think I don't have any rule to escalate or to do anything with him because he has been working for our company for a while, so he control a lot of like core business. Then yes, that kind of weird issue is being dismissed.
Hmm.
Yeah.
That's weird.
Yeah.
The whole process is weird.
Yeah. Then in the lunch time, I went
Oh.
to I went out to have a lunch time with some of developers. So they told me about that kind of problem. So then they was really concerning about that one because some guys in Vietnam who make some mistake, then the guy from UK or maybe Pakistan will be escalated them immediately, then try to apply some rule for the guys. But the things here is when the guys from Pakistan also UK, they are doing something doing something that is not really well. Now maybe it can be impact to the home product. Nothing happened.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
Hello, hero.
think.
Yeah.
Hello, hello. Yeah,
Yeah.
I think the Pakistan guys is worrying about. He's worried about the missile hit him from Iran, so he tried to put it fast and then get to the get into the basement.
Yeah. Try to locate some safety zone to avoid the war.
Yeah, and also the UK, they're afraid of Russian.
Yeah. Yeah, you are right. That may be the good one, the good like solution
Yeah, so
for us.
yeah, so actually Vietnam is peaceful, right?
Yeah. So we are safe, right? Then we can like, do everything for those guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. Being rust, then nothing can be like completely finished. All right, got you.
Oh, hello Nhi.
Hello, everyone. Let's open the microphone, then talk to us.
Hello Nhi. Could you open your mic and talk with us? Uh,
Oh,
no, I don't know. So I think we should move on. So the topic today is user experience, but I would like doing the sorting because I cannot put a very long title in the image and also the topic. So it actually the user experience when using app or web application, mobile application or website. Yeah. So yeah, so I think I got a very good user experience with the to-do app that I am using right now. So it is to-do list, to-do list. Yeah. So this app they had a kind some kind of natural language processing, and it helped me to like capture the idea or put a to do very fast when I know the specific day or time that the task need to be done. Yeah, so it's like capture some keyword and then process it and automatically automatically set the date and time and also some property of the to do into the list. And about the best user experience, I don't remember about that because I was use a lot of app. I used a lot of app, and when I am not happy with a specific app, I just like delete it and don't remember about it anymore. So yeah.
See. So have you ever tried the Notion LLM provided by Google?
Notion. Um,
Notion
actually,
LLM.
actually the Notion app I used it for a time in the past, but but I recently I changed to Obsidian for note taking. So
Oh,
the yeah, so my plan and my to-dos I put it into the to-doist, and the notes I put it into the Obsidian because Obsidian have like fully support the Markdown format. So yeah, so it's better for me when I am using in the cross platform. Yeah,
oh,
and also the Markdown format is it's kind of fast to write for me.
oh, okay, got you. Speaking of the note, yesterday I found one thing new, so I think could be it would be great if you can try that. It named Notion, no, notebook LLM, notebook
Yeah,
LLM.
notebook LLM.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
let's say you want to
I
research. Yeah. Let's say you
I
want.
was I knew about it in the Google in a Google event in Hanoi, and
Yeah.
we tried it before, but I think with my yeah it's kind of too much for my needs, so I did not use it. Yeah. Hello,
Currently, it's
Tuyat. Yeah, keep going.
yeah, it's free, and I see that it's free. So, and it provided a lot of things like it can like how to say that brief everything in the it's mind. Then you can review everything that you want in the like diagram as the
Yeah.
diagram. So I think for that one, in case you want to research or do everything new, you can like actually depends on that. Then you can learn faster.
Yeah, I will try it, but currently I don't use. Like if I have, I will try it. So I will see some. I will see some. So if it could fit my need or not. But yeah, I note with a LLM available. Wow. Well, I'll
Yeah,
try tomorrow. Yeah.
yeah, just try it. It's really easily to get, honestly, because they
Okay.
provide us a lot. So let's say in the like traditional way, you will need to research a topic. For example, playwright, right? So you need to research everything surround the playwright, any problems surround playwright. So any technical surround playwright on the Google. So it will take around 4 or 5 days to collect these kind
Yeah.
of information together and create an enigma for that to like have an overview of everything that you have been researched. But now when you are applying the notebook LLM, you just type for your hobby. For example, you want to know about playwright, the way to build the playwright and concerns around playwright, then press enter. The notebook LLM will be researched on the relevant links on the Google, then combine. I mean, they'll like save they'll all store on the like data from these kind of link, then try to make the like how to say the convenient information for you, then you can like easily to like review and use that.
Okay. Nice. I think it will be good for like using for the job. When I am need to review my knowledge, then I will use the
Yeah,
only
yeah,
the non normal note taking.
yeah, correct. Yeah, if you have a time, just try that because it does not take time. If
Yeah.
it can be gain any benefit, the beneficial things, just do that because right now it's free, and something can be free by Google. It really good.
Mhm. Yeah. Let's see two people joining with us.
Yeah, only
Hello,
two.
Tuyat. Could you open your mic and talk with us?
Hi guys,
Hello.
how's it going?
Yeah, I am pretty good today. A little
Yeah.
bit tired, but still good.
Mm-hmm. So, you're sharing about the app supporting what? Yeah, I'm a little bit late.
Yeah, actually, we are talking about the user experience when using mobile app or
Mm-hmm.
website. Yeah,
Yeah. So we talk about good or bad or just the experience in one app. For example, that we just talk about ChatGPT
yeah,
or
you
you
could
pick any apps that you like and you share about it, right?
yeah, you pick any app. You can pick any app and you can pick about the good side or the bad side.
Uh-huh. Okay. Okay, I understand.
Yeah,
So that my turn.
yeah. Could you?
Let me think. Um yeah. I'm using the social media app. Um in the past that was Facebook that I use it for 7 hours per day.
What?
Yep,
Wow.
yep, yeah. That was a long story. Okay. That I spend much time for the social media app, but now I move to the I think that is interesting in Oh no. I think it's more interesting than Facebook, that is tracked, that was built from the Instagram. I know the track apps through Instagram, and I thought that's good because when, but it's change, it's changed every day, and I quite don't like it so much. But it's help you to focus to read, not see any videos on track. Have you tried to use track before, guys?
Actually, I got a track account, and I use it for posting my image, my photo, and
Oh, okay,
yeah,
yeah.
and check out other people in photography, and yeah, and
Oh,
also yeah, so they are like in in that app they are sharing because it's the app because the app is focused on writing, so we actually
yeah.
find a
The
very good
people write a
source.
lot. So
Yeah, so
at 1 month ago, that's just a lot of story. That's just a short or long story on thread. But now I can see more image or videos from thread
yeah,
that I don't like it so much because yeah, my brain cannot adapt for yeah, both videos and reading. With, for example, that when I read one story, that was, I had to focus to that, and with the attachment with the video, that will separate my thought about that topic, so I don't like it really.
yeah.
But
So
I
I think
still read, yeah, I still read thread every night to update the information. Maybe it's faster than Facebook nowadays. I think so.
yeah, it actually faster because it still not get some it still has less advertisement than Facebook,
Yeah,
I
it will
think.
be, yeah, it is, will have the advertisement, but now it's still that we call that a low key app for the people don't like videos. I think
Yeah, but
so. Yeah.
I think they will update for the video posting
Yes.
some days.
Like
Be-
Instagram, they grow so fast.
yeah,
Yeah.
because I use Threads in the very beginning of the app.
Yeah.
Yeah, so from that point, it's still like you are most likely to write the post, but not allowed to post image. But right now they are posting like everywhere.
Yeah, they can do everything on
Uh,
Fred. Yeah.
so
But yeah.
it's kind of distracting,
Mm-hmm.
distracting. Yeah.
Yeah. But that social media, we cannot, yeah, we cannot decline it. But yeah, that kind of the app recently that I use it. I focus to use it. So who's next?
Mm, let's say Mr. Khánh.
Mm. From my end, actually, I'm still looking for some like new apps, honestly, new applications, way like, suitable with my needed. So
Yeah.
at the beginning of the like topic today, I have already shared with Thang about the notebook LLM, like one of the like tools that provided by the Google, so we can like, easily research or take some note down surrounding everything that we need to know. So that is one thing, because why I suggest that one, because it's really like effective. So from my end, what I'm looking for is the brilliant application. We can have for lots of places in our working place, also the social working place. So let's say I'm looking for the convenience on the application. Then in case every application can help me to do that, I'll stick with that one. So why I say that? So let's say I'm trying to learn a new thing. Actually, I'm going to learn a new thing. Then I get a trouble with a lot of information on the internet. Then that kind of information, it seems to be weird. That some kind of information is not properly. Some kind of the information is really is a fraction things. So it has been located in the a lot of link or website on the internet, and I cannot collect that one because I don't have too much time to do that. So let's say one day I have a research on the internet and actually on the YouTube. Then I revisit one of the family guy in the Vietnam, and I saw we have one the LLM model where they can help us to do that one. So actually, the first time I saw that kind of video, I don't strongly believe in that because it's really simple. As I said, so I said to Thang as the end user, we just type something, you just to search something, and just type something belong to our hobbies. Then everything will be presented into your laptop. Then it will be provide you the XMI to wrap up or to brief everything that you need to know about this kind of topic. At that time, so at that time I thought that is so strange. So I tried to do that. I tried to apply that one for my researching, and successfully I get the result. So let's say currently I'm still researching some LLM model, the way to combine those things together. So they suggest me to use a lot of LLM model, a lot of local platform, then guide me the way to do that, guide me the way to compare the effectiveness between this kind of model. So similarly to the other tool on the market at the moment. So that is why, that is how my experience is. So let really saying I'm still looking for some application, not only the website on some mobile. So it must be easily to use. So let's say you have an application, you do not need to know about that one. It will serve for your requested. So let's say when you are in the application, you want to do something, you do not need to read any documentation, you do not need to follow any instruction. You can use that immediately. So that is what I want. Then I'm still looking for the other tools on the market right now to do that, to serve for me.
So you are still searching?
Yeah, I'm still searching a lot of tools because notebook LM is it's just the wrap everything on the internet. But let's say something that don't have, or maybe don't have any information on the internet. So you are the guy who have been faced that one. That kind of issue is where it's rarely happen, and do not have any person who post that kind of issue on the internet. And also the ChatGPT, also the LLM model on the market, it doesn't have enough information of that kind of issue, so it cannot be solved that properly. Then something like that.
Yeah.
So
let me clear your idea first. That you mean that whenever you searching on Google or any tools, that the result that give you back is not enough for you, right?
yeah, correct.
How can we change the question for Google that kind of I got a problem before when I was the university student. So whenever I'm searching on Google, that not worth more than my friend. So she said that when you ask Google for researching something, that just ask more detailed as you can. That the same with the ChatGPT now. So yeah, it's better that her solution is better than I was before. I mean that when you're searching on Google, just typing that more detail that you want them to give you back. I think so. That one, yeah, that first idea. And I got another question. Have you used the Discord for asking and sharing with the group, the communities
Actually, my
before?
problem come from the core product is it has not been like officially like announcing on the market. So let's say it just happened on our product.
Discord
So
is kind of, yeah, I'm not usually use the Discord app, but I think if you can find um a big communities enough so every question can answer clearly by the stranger or
mm,
any, yeah, user that have more knowledge more than us. I had
mhm.
tried before with when I learning English. Their tips also help, but yeah, when you join when in a big community, so a lot of people support you to give you the answer. It takes times, I know, but yeah, with people working with people, uh, it's better than people with working with tools. I think so. I don't know, but yeah, just my feeling when I use tools in general.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the hardest thing to like communicate with the other is those say the transparent information and the response time. So for example, the transparent information is not clear. So you all understand that one that you want to understand that one, or maybe you misunderstanding, or maybe you mistakenly do something that you thought that is correct. That is the first thing. The second thing is the responding time from this guy may be like long, really long time. So for
Yes.
example, whenever you post a message on the Discord, as you said earlier, then you need to wait for like, at least around maybe the problem they just rare case they face that one and they don't have any solution for that, and you need
Yeah, I
to wait
agree.
for a
Yeah.
while to see the solution.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's kind of the trade-off, but everything you tell us is correct. We if I can like, find out the community where they are like usually face a lot of problem that I am facing at the moment. So
Yeah.
maybe I can like find out some like find out some way to like
Mm-hmm.
solve my issue.
Yeah.
Mm.
So, my story that was I'm asking about their experience, so that useful when I'm, yeah, I was a university student. I need to collect the data, the information, the way that how they learn, blah 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 blah, and that's how, yeah, that support me so much. But now yeah, and I'm not using Discord not much at before, but it's kind of recommendation about that collecting the information. Yeah. And for the deep knowledge, you can pose the question with the AI tool because, yeah, I think so. But let me, I just wonder that with the AI tool, which app that you use normally using for both working and normally collecting the information. For example, that
Mhm.
when you read the newspaper, We have a lot of
Luyện
title in the newspaper, right? Yeah.
yeah.
And I just focus on the weather, for example. So I need the AI working with the weather information for me, collecting and give me just short paragraphs. Yeah,
I see.
that's what I do with the AI when I read news. But
Yeah. So the AI tool
but
for
ChatGPT nowadays they have the ChatGPT Plus. Is we have the limit question with with that AI. So would you have any recommendation for the new AI tool that better than ChatGPT? I use Copilot, but it's not smart as the ChatGPT. What do you think?
I am using Outman for coding and
Mm-hmm.
I am using AI Studio for researching.
You research in your in your
Yeah, the AI tool of Google, the AI Studio.
the AI studio that you use to research everything, or you just use when you coding?
No, that is for the general researching.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yes, and coding I am using a plugin for Visual Studio Code called Outman.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's using the Cloud 4 model.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Cloud 4 model. And the AI Studio is using Gemini 2.5 Pro.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So
So the Gemini and the AI studio on Google is separate, or it just depend on each other? Because
yeah, so
Gemini,
the
I don't know how to say that, but is it Gemini AI?
Gemini.
yeah,
Gemini, right?
Gemini.
Yeah. That Gemini AI has been promoted more than AI Studio. I don't know. I actually don't know about AI Studio from Google. I just know that
Oh,
Google create the Gemini AI.
the AI Studio is the GUI. Is
GUI, right?
yeah, the interface for using
Okay.
the Gemini. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I
So
understand.
yeah, so it's like you can use Gemini some of Gemini model in AI Studio for free. I don't know I did not know if they have some kind of rate limit or not, but I did not use that much. So yeah, it is free and it's good using Google search because it is the same provider, and also you can put a specific URL to so the AI can use it and as contact. Yeah,
Wow,
so
yeah,
that
that's
is
amazing.
yes, yeah. So it's for general researching, and for deep research, I using Manus.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I here Manus right here, and AI
Menace,
Studio.
uh-huh.
Yeah,
Okay.
and Almond for coding. So
Okay.
yeah, this is my three tool for everyday tasks.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
use it every day. So yeah, that's it.
yeah.
So in this tool, the last one is I need to pay for using it, and the two other tool is free.
Yeah, yeah. They're free. But we don't know that if it's have a limitation or not.
Yeah. So my usage is not big, so it's not a big deal for me.
Yeah. Let me research about that AI. What about Khánh? Do you have any recommendation from the AI apps?
App, Grok, ChatGPT. Actually, it depends on what you need. Like if you are working on the IT field, that we have lots of like AI tools that can help you. So how about the designing or maybe the other? I think they have like something Canvas AI or really a lot. It depends on like your industry. So what actually you want to do that?
Yeah,
So
I just start to maybe that do any easier task more than working, because for example, let me compare between the Copilot and ChatGPT. The Copilot got a strength that they give you the result better, maybe faster than ChatGPT, because they're strong with the knowledge, I think. But the ChatGPT is they got a strength with the information collecting, because at the beginning ChatGPT is famous more than all of the AI, and the data from them is a huge amount that people cannot imagine it. So when you research just normal information, that who is blah blah blah, give me some information about that issue, about update the world war or something, so that working with the ChatGPT is so quick. But the Copilot is more than I don't know how to describe it. Just give me the prompt, the give me the for example, that just make the research between A and B, so the Copilot is work better than the ChatGPT. You know what I mean?
yeah, correct.
Yeah.
Got you.
Yeah.
Because
Thank you.
actually, like what you said is the answer. But you just know about the ChatGPT because ChatGPT is the collection, like the information collection. So
Mm.
it's like one of the information on over the world. So I do think so. But speaking of the Copilot, it's suitable for the like coding stuff rather than researching something on the internet. So let's say if you are the coder and you are using the Copilot, it could be better because like we don't have
Yeah, for working, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
We don't have anywhere tool. We just have the suitable tool for do everything that we want.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. My college used the Copilot for their work is so much. They can it's useful when they're working. But I'm not using it. Just researching some fake news on the Copilot, asking
Okay.
do
For
stupid thing.
researching, for researching, you can use ChatGPT, Grok, models. A lot.
Yes.
You can have a small comparison with that with these kind of tools, honestly.
Yeah.
So from my
Okay.
point of view, Grok is the best one, but it'll be like respond a little bit weird. Like the response time from Grok is a little bit longer than the other ones.
Yeah.
But the accuracy of the responding, it might be must be like better than the others.
Yeah, I agree. So
Tools, actually a lot. And nowadays we have a lot of tools actually, especially the AI tool. It'll be really every hours on it, or every hours. It depends on what you are needed. So let's say you want to cook something, and you don't know about the the recipe, anything related to your like kind of dishes. Then I think on the market right now they already have some like AI tool for that one. Just type up the meal that you want to cook, and it will be like list out everything for you, or maybe it will be step by step to give you a guideline to do that.
Yeah. So related to AI tool, I got more question about that. For example, that we are fresher, or we are just on the fresher in the university. You are the first year student, and the AI is more and more stronger. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
how do the fresher student can deal with the internet is growing up so fast, and they are just the student, it just depend on the university, and the university have, I don't know, not fast as the internet growing up. So do you have
yeah.
any idea for the fresher student when they start to go to
Yeah.
school? I mean university.
Yeah, it might like a little bit like you just tell us about one thing about the school. Actually nowadays almost of the school in the Vietnam actually in the IT field they have already added one field. I mean the how to say that technical related to the data model. So one of the like major where you can focus on the AI, machine learning, or something like that in the near future. Not
With
only
in the IT field, that the AI tool can't support much, right? But
yeah
for example, marketing, or you working now, let me think. We have a lot of major, right?
yeah a lot of major.
Yeah.
Marketing, customer service, or the other who face with the customer.
So it relate to the soft skill rather than your hard skill.
Mm-mm. So they need to learn the soft skill more than hard skill.
Yeah, because
Or
yeah. Go ahead.
because some university have to learn so hard. They don't have time to I don't know, learn more new thing. And that one more important thing, that when they learned into the university, they just focus on what will they learn in a class. No one can give them an idea that, oh, you have to learn this one, the soft skill, blah blah blah, order than the class. They just focus on the class, but the class cannot update as fast as the internet or the other. So
Yeah.
this is
So
hard for the student, right?
so the university, in my opinion, it just laying laying some concrete knowledge for the student, and everything else they need to to try to update with the internet. So in the case of soft skill, uh actually, like in the practice aspect, you need to find the opportunity in the real life
Mm.
to practice it. But you could use internet and the AI for like researching the case about the soft skill. Like you could use it for like researching about resolve conflict between people or something like that.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
soft skill, right? Yeah.
yeah. It's this kind of soft skill, but you learn it in theory,
Mm.
literature. Yeah. So the practice, you it's kind of hard to find, but eventually you still have some knowledge about the soft skill first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
And yeah,
you know what? When the student have not much knowledge when they suffering the internet, right? So they are easily got a FOMO, that fear of missing out. And some people who doesn't have much knowledge but still self their course for the fresher, for the people who don't have the knowledge for that. So it's hard for them because, with the AI tool, you can make a course easier than before, right?
yeah,
So it's also easier to fake the qualification, the quality, and the qualification too. So it's a big problem nowadays, right?
yeah, it is.
Yeah, I agree. But I don't know how to deal with it. I got a sister. She's will be go to the university next year, and yeah, got a lot of question to answer her thought. She just believing with the cloud, a lot of cloud in her head, in her mind. I don't know, but yeah, I still concerned too with
Mm.
that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
just story. Okay,
it will be
guys.
hard.
Yeah.
It will be hard because yeah, when I am in the time when I need to choose what I gonna go in the university, I am
Mm,
actually don't know anything about. Actually, I don't know anything about the IT field.
yeah.
Yeah, so it's just like I um want to get there because I am love to play games, and also because I was joining a programming contest in the past in the
Mm,
yeah eighth grade. So I was kind of interesting in the IT field than other, but when I get there, it's like I don't know how to how to like um, find the path to be better. Yeah,
yeah.
it kind of hard, and like eventually I think the soft skill of making friend and realize what is better for us is essentially for
Yeah.
us. Yeah,
Yeah. That networking skill, we call it
yeah,
networking skill because, yeah, we can note many brother and sister older than you in the university, and they will support you. That what will you do? Just say, just just tell them, and maybe that they will give you the solution.
yeah.
But
So
in the art, yeah, yeah, yeah. Go ahead.
so I think Um, like if you got if you like if you when you are going to in the university and you get some research on the internet and you see some kind of trending or something like that, you when you got a network you could ask every single one of them about their opinion, and then
Mm,
you can compare it
yeah,
and yeah, and then see the art about the opinion, so you can you kind of make you kind of knowing what direction you should go.
yeah.
It is better than uh solely rely on the internet.
Yeah,
Uh,
and actually,
yes.
actually in the school, I usually heard this one because like no one can teach you anything. So you need to learn it by yourself. So don't be like waiting for anything. Try to active. Like if you want to make yourself like better and more like intelligent, you can like do everything for that one. So for example, you want to become this kind of person, so you must to define what kind of the person that you want to be. So for example, you want to become the entrepreneur, right? Entrepreneur, I don't know how to say that one.
You can type it, yeah.
Yeah, then
entrepreneur. Yeah.
entrepreneur. Then so let's say about their life, what they will do. So about their knowledge, what are they currently having. So let's say if you are the person that you want to become, what will you do? Then you need to like learn how to create a plan for that. And actually you need to be faced with a lot of lessons. Some kind of a lesson will cost your money. That's really cheap. So some kind of a lesson that will be impact to your like health. So you need to get rid of that one. So a lot of things. So let's say at the beginning, so in the school, let's try to define that the person that you want to be in the next several years, for example. So you said that your sister will be in the school, right? So let's say after 4 years,
Yeah.
what will she what will she do, right? So what will she in the next 4 years? So is she actually wanting to do this one? For just repeat some of these kind of questions surround her like major to see that she actually love this kind of major and actually she can do this one in the near future.
But
yeah, there are some,
you know that
like,
we
there are
have
something that
many major that got a well paid, that we call it well paid job, like IT field, marketing, I think. I don't know,
yeah,
but yeah, we have the top 5 major training. You know, a lot of people apply for that, but they don't know what is the job, the title of the job after 4 years of learning. So the same as my sister, she's just grade 11, and next is grade 12 for the next summer. But I will let her think. But what will she become? What kind of person will she become to after she graduates?
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm just research to support her.
Yeah, okay.
But not not give any decision. Instead. Yeah.
Yeah, actually from my end, you do not need to like depends on to the salary at the moment too much. So
But
let's say
you know
about the
what?
IT.
You know what?
Let's say about the
the-
IT, right?
Yeah.
So it can be it kind of high at the moment. So let's say in the near future, the AI or maybe something in the near future can be replay or most of the thing in the IT field. So what we will be in the near future, we don't have any relevant jobs for the IT. So similarly to the sale or something like that. So in the near future, we
Yeah.
don't have that kind of a job. So we cannot like say, you need to learn this one, you need to like do everything to achieve this one in this moment. So I think this is not correct. Just depend on what you are needed, and you need to define what is the goal. Like, is it what is your successful? What is your like the term of the success? So the term of the enough. I think you need to define this one. Don't try to be like the the more the how to say the modern rate. Yeah, at the moment, don't try to be some of the guys that you cannot be or something like that. Just do everything that you think is enough, and when you think is enough, you can feel better. You can have a time to do everything that you know. And actually, if you are working in the job that you are really love, you are deeply love that one, right? You are doing this job. It's like the normal day, or something like that.
She picked the major depend on what the friend choose, what her friend choose. So they're just following the trend, you know. It's hard to set it. Yeah, just finding what you want to become teen for sure. She don't care. That is normally
So how about the
that
situation
her
like this one?
generation, you know. She can understand that. Yeah, she can understand it with the IT field nowadays is a downtrend major. But she don't know how to deal with that. It's hard for me to explain to her. But firstly, that just pick up one major that she like most. That what I supporting her to do. Because it's hard. The teenager is it's hard to catch up with, you know. Yeah. But her choice.
I think you needed to repeat your idea every day. So let's say your sister, she want to do something with her friend. So let's put her in the situation in the near future, like your sister and your sister friend, they are become a competitor in the same company. They need to do everything to stay in
Protect their idea.
Protect their job, protect their chair or something like that. What will she do at that moment? So if she can provide the plan or maybe the campaign to do that, so it's okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, just put
I got
some
new
situation.
idea when talking with her. Yes. Thank you.
Yeah, we have a term in the Vietnam like mưa dần thấm lâu, so try to do that.
Okay, I'm trying to do that.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Good idea. Thank you. So it's 10. Yeah.
Yeah, it's 10 now, and
It's over 10.
I think we should go off the next session today.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you so much, guys.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
See ya. Bye.
See ya. Bye bye.
Yes.
And I
Bye.
hope to see you guys in Friday.
Yeah, Friday I got
so
a bit
hope
stuff to do.
and we
Yeah, hope
about
so.
your
On
topic.
Monday. Next Monday.
Okay.
Yes.
All
Good night. Good
Oh,
night.
good night. Yeah, good
See
night.
you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Yeah.